welcome back to the BSN channel. Today we're making Akokɔ Nkatenkwan, which is chicken peanut soup. I'm going to show you the ingredients, or some of the ingredients I've got. Okay, so right here we have the Scotch bonnet pepper, jumbo seasoning. I'm probably going to use 2 of this. I've got garlic, which I've actually used about 5 or 6 of them, and 2 onions, which I've placed in here. So this is where the pepper, let me let the smoke clear. This is where the pepper, the garlic and the onions are softening. I wanted to boil it, and then I'll grind it with the, as you can see, the peanut butter there. Also, we're smoking the, this is the peanut butter here. We've got the crunchy one, which we're going to grind together with the chili. We're smoking the chicken. This is boiler chicken. This is an old school technique my mum used to do. She actually used to use her hands when I was younger. So yeah, she's smoking the chicken either side, so you get some black parts, and it will enhance the flavour, isn't it? So as you can see right there, you can see some nice black parts. It's the same as like doing it. Like if you had a charcoal grill, wouldn't it be better? You could do the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So it's a creative thing my mum's doing, which...
You get all the hair out, I swear.
Yeah,
apart
get all
from
the
the
hair
flavour.
out. So yeah, my mum's helping me smoke the chicken.
Don't do it that long.
If you want, you can chuck it in there. I'm actually gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna grind them. I'll probably grind the onions in the blender, but the chili and the garlic and the peanut I'm gonna grind in the Victoria. Why?
This goes in the blender.
So, oh no, you say you never meant that we was gonna blend it in the Victoria. You just meant in the blender. Alright, okay, that's what I was gonna do originally. So yeah, all of this is gonna be the base along with the peanut. So the same way as you do with the other soups, it's the way you're gonna do it for this soup. The only difference is peanut will be added to the mixture. And if you want it to be a strong peanut soup, I'm gonna put a bit more peanut.
We need this.
I want it to be a proper peanut soup.
Can you open this?
Open. It's dangerous, isn't it?
Yeah, I have to be careful.
See, that side is ready. Don't want to smoke it too much. So that drumstick's done. Like most barbecues, you've got a cool side right there, and you've got a hot side. When there's an open flame, you always see the flame rise up. That's why if we had a proper charcoal grill, the cover would stop the flame from rising.
What's your tomato puree?
I don't have it. I'm actually gonna bring that to the next stage. So yeah, we're gonna blend the onions, and then I'll come back when I'm doing that. Please. So I've got the onions, as you can see there, the Scotch bonnet pepper and the garlic, about 6 pieces of garlic in there. This is going to be ready to blend. I've also got 1 heaped teaspoon of peanut. My mother will add 2 more heaped teaspoons to this. Because I'm using one hand, I can't really do it. I'm going to put 10 chopped tomatoes. That's the second heaped teaspoon of peanut butter, crunchy. As you can see right here. Yep. This is what's going to be grinded. It might need a tiny bit of water to make it easier to grind. this is where the onions, garlic and chili was boiling. Now the smoked chicken has replaced it. I'm not sure what the cover is. Oh, it's over there. On the right, on your right. So as you can see they're nice and smoked, so it's going to enhance the flavour. I'm actually going to add a bit of water and let this boil. So it's going to be ready for the base. So peace. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. This has been boiling away. I added more water to the boiler chicken, the smoked boiler chicken. And now it's boiling away. I've got the base to the side. But before we add this, we need to flavour the chicken. So I've got 2 jumbo cubes. They're not cubes, but you know what I mean, they're seasoning. You can use Maggi cubes, it's up to you. You probably use 2 or 3. Now I'm going to add the second one. I'm going to crush it in. This is a thing I've been doing since I was 5 years old. Well, actually no, 6 years old, 7 years old, or maybe 8. My mum will always ask me, go and get the Maggi cube or the jumbo. When I was young, she used Maggi, and then she converted to jumbo. Excuse me for using my left.
Hey, let me stir it.
Yeah, thank you.
To make a mistake.
Let me hold it for you. It's hard to do it with one hand, isn't it?
The flavor is good.
Actually, give me 1 second, yeah, because I've got the camera. Like what I usually do, I use both hands. Put one hand here, one hand there, and I use a circular motion to let the water, you know, like flow over the chicken, and it washes it with the salt. Okay, so I'm gonna let this boil for about 2 minutes. Let the salt get accustomed with the chicken, and then the base will go in to make the graka. Anyways, over here I've got a kettle that's already boiled. It's ready. It's done. Yeah, it's ready. It's ready to finalize the thing. You know. This is what my brother's eating. Lasagna.
Where you mess from there?
See, my mum telling me off. You don't like a messy kitchen, do you? Why do you not like a messy kitchen, Mum?
It puts me off from food. Every food.
Okay, that's a good reason. I can't argue with that. And I wouldn't argue with you anyway, Mum. Okay?
How dare you?
I wouldn't dare. I don't know how I would dare. Anyways, I'm going to come back in about 5 minutes when I'm going to add the base. Peace. Okay, so this has been boiling for about 5-7 minutes. My mum has been urging me to put the base in. Because you want some of this soup, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah. I'll make sure you don't spoil it.
Mum, I'm not going to spoil soup, you know. I'm good with soup.
I'm keeping an eye.
Okay, so excuse me for using my left, but you know, I have to.
Why is that the right way?
What do you mean?
It has to be on your left, as long as it's not on your finger.
Okay, Mum. As in the base now. I've got the kettle ready.
Sorry, I flew away. Very ball high.
Are they?
Sorry. You help me.
Oh, sorry.
You don't Let me.
Mum, do not throw this away, okay?
No.
What would Nana Ba say?
Sorry?
What would Nana Ba say? My grandma. What would she say? Splashing.
Take it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tiny bit of the kettle because this is almost full. I'm not gonna put too much from the kettle.
No, not yet.
So we'll wait for it to all boil. Yeah, okay.
Boil for about 5-10 minutes.
All right, so we'll let this boil for like 10 minutes, possibly 15 minutes, and we'll come back. See, Mum, this is my mum's favorite soup. You know why? Because she wasn't raised with this soup. I was. So living in Brixton, when I used to come home from secondary school, the bottom of my block would be stinking of peanut. I know that only one house makes peanut soup like that. It's my mum. So I stepped in
The chicken I bought today is so tasty. It looks so fresh.
That's why I said, Mum, we are smoking this whether you like it or not. Okay?
Yeah. No.
Even if I have to smoke it myself. Because I watched so much as a child, my mum always made peanut soup. The second favourite was either light soup or palm soup. But the first was always Nkatenkwan. That's why all of us had lots of spots.
I haven't got any spots, leave me alone.
No, but back then it was because of the peanut soup, wasn't it?
Yeah, that time I was still a young woman, so...
Yeah, so you was just going crazy. Plus, we live right next to Brixton Market, so we was always buying...
African food, Jamaican party, everything.
All of it. Brown rice on a Sunday, oh my.
With the mutual style.
Not even the mutual, that's more healthy. That's a bit more healthy. This was just brown rice, granulated rice. It is granulated, is it? Oh, it's like rice cream.
I have to go and open my suitcase.
How do you call it? Amusam.
Mutual.
You know how she say acitilisam?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you say that with rice?
Yeah, then.
Or you wouldn't say that? Would you say amusam? Or you wouldn't say
rice flour.
Okay. That's
Amusam.
Amusam. See, that's some proper tree right there. This is my brother's meal, the lasagna. And this will be for my dad as well. He likes lasagna. Some hash browns, potatoes, chips. Understand in America they don't call this chips. I don't know what you guys call this. But over here we call them chips. And what you guys call chips, we call crisps. So, you know, it's funny. It's interesting. Okay, so in about 5-7 minutes we'll put the kettle in. You can see the colour. You know that golden, that creamy orange colour. It looks like fire and light together, like sunlight and fire at the same time, if you know what I mean. In a way, it looks like the soup is being evangelized. I'll shut up now. We'll come back when we're adding the kettle. Peace. Okay, so the kettle's been done. This has been boiling for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. I'm not going to add too much. I mean, I'm looking at the consistency. I don't want it to be too light, so I'm going to add maybe 1/3 of this kettle. Okay, that's it. That'll do. I use about 3/4 of the kettle, to be honest. I'm going to let that boil. I'm going to stir this a bit. And this is going to simmer nicely. You know. No, I don't know what I'm singing. Okay. I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to let this simmer. I'm going to keep stirring it occasionally every 5-10 minutes. It's going to simmer for about 30 minutes. Because I want the flavour to stay there. That's why it's called boiler chicken. Chicken stays at the same consistency. Nice, hard, chewy, flavoured. It's nice. So, see you in about 20-30 minutes, please. Okay, it's been about 40 minutes that we let this be boiling. I'm putting some okra in because it's going to be ready soon. I do like okra, whole okra. I don't like it mixed in. This is the way I like my okra. My nkrumah. So, this will be ready very soon. As you can see, the oil right there. Yeah, you were just about to smack me.
Yeah. Let me eat some first before we talk.
I've got my Guinness right there.
Oh, I forgot.
My extra. I've got one in the freezer that's cold if you want one, man. All right, mom. Now the camera's on. My mom's gonna pretend like she doesn't like
I don't
it.
drink
She
alcohol.
doesn't drink. I'll give it to Dad. But
No, I don't drink alcohol.
but Dad likes the normal one.
The freezer is so high.
That's the way we want it to be.
No, the freezer is frozen too
much. The nice foreign one. This is the one I like. 7.5%. Trust me, a lot of African men like to drink this one. So yeah, we're gonna let this boil for over 5-10 minutes, and this soup will be done. On the left here, my mum has got a fufu going away. This is it, nice and cold. Guinness foreign extra.
You eat. It's going to be very hardly to digest.
Because I've eaten before, you know, I'm not feeling anything from it. So we'll be back 5-10 minutes. Peace. Welcome back. As you can see, the soup is done. It's looking braka. It's looking dokum. It's looking braka. Okay, enough of that.
Go easy.
So as you can see right here, you've got the oil on the side. You can see the rivers of the oil in the middle. So that's how you know it's ready. It's looking a bit like palm soup. But this is how peanut soup looks like. This is what you call heavy soup. Not light soup, but heavy soup. My mum is kneading the fufu. See, this is the food which built the Asante army. The Asante army.
People.
I was more talking about to fight, to be in war. But yeah, the Asante people, yeah.
This is your leftover.
So which one is for you?
That one.
So my mom's definitely on a diet. This is mine, and this is my mom. And this is my brother. This is like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Anyways.
It smells like Nkatenkwan.
Sorry, there was some in total be.
And after all that, I'm even taking the chicken breast.
Take the breast. I'm not a big fan of the breast. Make sure you give me the thigh, though. Yes. That's the Akokɔ. That's how you say it, right? Is that how you say it?
Yeah, you can only have one each.
Yeah, but I'm having the most fufu, so that means I have the most meat.
Only 2 meat.
Comparative to the other 2 people who are eating. If that's a word. Comparative. Is that even a word?
You can't have 2 thighs, sorry.
I can't have 2 drumsticks.
I'll give you one of these.
A wing, okay.
At least it's something.
Okay. I'm going to enjoy this. I'll do this for you, Ose Tutu. And Prempe.
You're doing it for your own stomach.
And Opokuwari as well. I'll do this for you. I'll do this for Ose Krum. I'll do this for Kamasi. Ajusu. Efidiasi. Gosu. Zongo. Ahojo. Donyana. Kwasu. Kontanasi. Bekwai.
Alright.
I do this for you. Mampong. Gee, how can I forget about Mampong? I'll do this for you. So anyway, here we have it. It's Akokɔ Nkatenkwan, which is chicken peanut soup. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please like. If you didn't like the video, feel free to dislike. If you haven't already, please subscribe. God bless. If you're atheist, good luck in life. Peace.